Hello one and all. So already seen the three examples. Today we are going to the fourth example. Okay. So what is the given question? If x power x, y power y, z power z equals to e, show that at x equals to y equals to z, comma, so dou square z by dou x dou y equals to minus x log ex whole inverse. Okay, first we'll find out the dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. First we'll, before that we'll write that given. What is it given here? Okay, given x power x, y power y, z power z equals to e. This is equation 1. Apply the logarithm on both sides. X into log x plus y into log y plus z into log z, that equals to, okay, log e. So here, so log e base equals to 1. So that's all right here, x log x plus y log y plus z log z, that equals to 1. Okay, I'm going to return this. Z log z equals to 1 minus, here x log x, take this side, minus x log x. So y also take this, y log y. Okay, this is equation 2. Okay, first you are going to find out that what dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. So I'm going to write once again here. So z log z equals to 1 minus x log x minus y log y. This is the equation 2. Okay. So equation 2, differentiation partially with respect to x. Then we'll get what? Dou z by dou x. See here, this is the UV formula, differentiation of UV, that equals to UV dash plus VU dash, first term into differentiation of second term plus second term into differentiation of first term. So first I'm going to write the first term, differentiation of second term, log z differentiation 1 by z, z differentiation dou z by dou x, plus second term into log z, the differentiation of first term. So I'll write that 1, so into we'll write that dou z by, so dou x. Okay, that equals to the constant differentiation 0 minus uv, the same formula will apply, x into log x differentiation 1 by x, the first term into differentiation of second term, plus second term into differentiation of first term, that is equals to 1, the plus, what is that, y log y 0. Why? Because with respect to x, y 0, with respect to y, x 0, differentiation of. So here what is the common term? Dou z by dou x. Here z z cancel, here x x cancel. Okay, I'm going to return here 1 plus log z into dou z by dou x equals to, what is it here, minus 1 plus log x. Okay, I'm going to return here dou z by dou x equals to minus 1 plus log x by 1 plus log z. So similarly, going to return here dou z by dou y equals to minus 1 plus log y by 1 plus log z. Okay, so what is it given? What is it given? What is it given? X equals to y equals to z. That implies, now we'll substitute in this, in the place of z, substitute the x, then we'll get that what, dou z by dou x, dou z by dou x minus 1. The same manner we'll substitute in the dou z by dou y also. In the place of z we'll substitute the y, then we'll get that dou z by dou y is also minus 1. Remember this one, this is 3, this is what, 4. Okay, we'll take this one, this is equation 3, this is equation 4, this is equation 5, right, this is equation 6. Okay, what is our question here? Dou square z by dou x dou y. Okay, so we'll find out that what, dou square z by dou x dou y. So that equals, I'm going to written here dou by dou x of dou z by dou y. That means that dou square z by dou x dou y. So here, what is the dou z by dou y? Dou z by dou y. So minus 1 plus log y by 1 plus log z. I'm going to written since, what is it, from equation, what is that equation here? 4. Dou z by dou y equals to minus 1 plus log y by 1 plus log z. Okay. Here I am going to written equation 4. So differentiation partially with respect to x. That means the differentiation of this one. So therefore, dou square z by dou x dou y. So with respect to x, y is constant. I am going to written this one. 1 plus log y is constant. So what is the remaining term? 1 by 1 plus log y. The differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Okay, I am going to written here. So this means that minus 1 by 1 plus log z. That's right. Whole square. So on the differentiation of this one, log z differentiation, what is that? 1 by z. So dou z by, what is that with respect to x, no? That's why I'll write here dou x. Okay. So already you know, what is that, you know, what is the give from the given? From the given, x equals to y equals to z, and from equation, you see the previous slide, 5 and 6, equation 5 and 6, dou z by dou x equals to minus 1, dou z by dou y equals to minus 1. I am going to substitute here dou square z by dou x dou y. So that equals to, I am going to written minus into minus plus. I am going to written here 1 plus, in the place of y I am going to substitute the x, okay, and by the 1 plus log z. In this also I am going to substitute the x, okay, whole square. Okay, the next one here, 1 by z. What is the 1 by z here? Mean that I am going to substitute x equals y equals to z now. So that's why 1 by x, and dou z by dou x is mean that minus 1. Here the 1 term and square, this will be cancelled. I am going to next line. Dou square z by dou x dou y, that equals to minus, okay, 1 by x into 1 plus log x. Okay, this, okay, right. The next I am going to written here, what is the log e? What is that log e? 1. I am replacing here. Okay, minus 1 by x into log e plus log x. So what is the log m plus log n? Log m plus log n equals to, okay, log mn. Okay, so I am going to written here minus 1 by x into log ex. I'm going to return this minus x into log ex whole inverse. What is this? Dou square z by dou x dou y. Okay, hence it is proved. Okay, if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe, then you will get further notification. Thank you.